mag 3 hours. Hindi pa ako naliligo. I mean, hindi pa ako naliligo ulit. Naligo ako kaninang umaga. So, after na lang ng live. May presentation pa nga kami bukas. Pero unti-unti nang gumaan yung loob ko. Kasi, patapos na yung week na to. Yung pinaka-worst day of the week. Worst day of the week na lang bukas. Ay, sa Thursday. Worst day of the effing week, bro. Anyway, EA. Anyway, EA. Are you coming to the sea? Alam niyo yung Hunger Games? Yung si Katniss Everdeen. Ayun yung kanta dun eh. Are you coming to the sea? Last month ko lang yung pinanood bago siya mawala sa Netflix. Kasi, once upon a time. Can you speak Tagalog? Yes! Ano kayo sabihin ng prof namin? Kasi yung boot namin simple lang. But then again, how to make sunset colors. I'm going to do this. Anong gagawin ko? Anyways, I'm just coloring. Maganda mag-color. Yeah. Hello. Correct ba? Alam mo, marunong ko ba mag-color? Hello, Stark. Gano'ng katagal ka na sa Bigo? I've been here since 2022. Parang I don't feel it. Kasi, nagla-live lang naman ako, ganyan. So, parang, alam mo yun, fun lang. But, 3 years, next year 4 years, na to, para na akong veterano. So, pwede ka mag-coloring book. Are you coming to the puwet? Oh! Means, anong means tamang gala? Yan. Perfecto. No money in art masyado. In the Philippines, no? The Philippines, of course, parang mahihirapan. Right? Really? Why? Bakit? Understand it. Are you? Sabagay. So, anong ginagawa mo na ngayon? So, what you doing now, Dan? Wait, let me play some musika. Because it's too quiet in here.